Hello keto lovers, welcome to 5 Minute Kitchen with Shraddha. Today we are going to make low carb keto cabbage rolls. This is gonna be easy and super delicious vegetarian keto recipe and perfect replacement for those high carb rolls. Let's start. Firstly we will need to blanch the cabbage leaves, for which here I have removed the outer core of the cabbage, so it will be easy to detach the leaves. And now I am going to gently detach the cabbage leaves. This is loose headed cabbage and the leaves are easily getting detached. In case you have tight headed cabbage, then cut a deep cone shaped incision into the bottom of the cabbage and remove the core completely. After peeling the cabbage, bring a pot of water to boil and submerge the cabbage leaves. Cover it and allow it to steam for 5 minutes. This process will soften the cabbage leaves. If you want, then you can also microwave the cabbage leaves, which should be an easier and quicker method to soften them. Then drain the boiled, softened leaves in a large colander or on paper towel and let it cool. Now we will prepare the low carb stuffing for our cabbage rolls. Heat olive oil in a non-stick pan. Add mustard seeds and cumin seeds. As the seeds begin to change color, add chopped onion and saute well. Cook till onion turns golden. Now add green chili and ginger. The stuffing we are preparing also goes very well with keto roti or keto chapati. I have shared the video link in the description below. Add chopped green pepper and red pepper and saute it for a minute. Adding these peppers brings more flavor and color to our stuffing. You can skip red pepper if you want. Now we are going to add spices. Turmeric powder, coriander powder and salt to taste. Mix well and cook the spices for around 30 seconds. Add chopped tomatoes. This is purely optional considering your taste and macros. Here comes crumbled paneer, the Indian cheese. Now properly mix these ingredients together. This is fresh homemade paneer. Our paneer bhurji stuffing tastes awesome with fresh homemade paneer, but you can also buy it from store. If you are planning to make it at home, then no need to worry. I have already uploaded video for same, and you can find the video link in the description below. Let it cook for 2 minutes. Add cheese and mix well. This will help to bind all the stuff together. Delicious paneer bhurji stuffing is ready now, and next step is to fill the stuffing. Place cabbage leaf on a flat surface. Take 2 tablespoons stuffing and place it at one corner of leaf. Fold in the sides and continue rolling the leaf to enclose the filling. Repeat this process with the remaining cabbage leaves and stuffing. Last and final step is to pan fry these cabbage rolls. Take a pan and grease it with olive oil. Now gently place these cabbage rolls side by side over the pan. Apply olive oil on top of these rolls and let it cook. Keep checking in between and flip these once color changes to golden brown, and let it cook from other sides as well. These low carb cabbage rolls are a bit more labor intensive, but they are really worth it. Here we go, our super delicious keto cabbage rolls are ready. Enjoy this with your family, friends and loved ones. Please check our channel for more such easy and mouth-watering keto recipes, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for interesting keto recipes coming your way. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and stay healthy.